Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll show you how to create catalogs using a plugin. Okay, so we'll be using CTX Feed plugin for the WordPress website. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. So we'll be setting up catalogs for this website. You can see over here. So these are the products. So I have come to the business manager account, and if I click on data sources, then we have an option called catalog. So I'm gonna click on catalogs. Then you can see over here, I don't have any catalogs yet. Okay. So I'm gonna create a catalog. So for creating a catalog, I'll click on this add button and I'm gonna click on create a new catalog and I'll click on continue. Then it will be redirecting me to the commerce manager section. Okay, then I'm gonna be choosing online products. Okay, then I have to name a catalog, so I'll be naming it according to my website. So e-commerce analytical growth catalog. Okay, so e-com analytical growth catalog. Okay, perfect. Then I'll click on next. Then connect to the tracking. So I'm gonna select one of the pixel from here. So I'll be choosing this one actually. Okay, so I'm gonna enable this one and click on next. I'll click on next again, or if you want to assign people, then you can do it from this section. So I'm gonna assign this one and give the full control, everything, and click on assign. Then I'll click on next. Then I'm gonna click on connect to a data feed, connect data feed. Okay, then I need to provide a data feed URL over here. Okay, so let's generate a data feed. So for generating data feed, I'll go to the admin panel of my website. So as you know, this is a WordPress CMS. So for going to the admin panel, I need to enter my website URL. Then I'm gonna write slash wp minus admin. Then I'm in the admin panel of my WordPress website. Then I'll go to the plugin section and I'm gonna click on add new plugin and I'm gonna search for CTX feed. Okay. Then you can see over here, this is our plugin. So I'm gonna activate the plugin. So our plugin has been activated. Then I'll go to this plugin and I'm gonna click on manage feeds. I'm gonna click on manage feeds. Just wait a little bit. So I'll click on new feed. Then I'm gonna choose the country as Bangladesh. Okay. Then as the template, I'll be choosing Facebook catalog and I'll name the file as ecom analytical growth catalog and file type would be CSV. Okay, perfect. Then I'm gonna go to Facebook product and I need to select the category from here. So if I go to the website, Then it's a mixed category actually. Hand sanitizer, then red chilies, natural extracted olive. Okay, straight coffee. So I can categorize it. mm, Facebook product select. I can categorize it as food and beverage. Okay, then everything would be perfect. Then I'll click on update and generate feed. So it is generating a new feed. So they have given us a URL. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the URL and I'll go to the commerce manager and paste this URL over here. Okay, then I'll click on next. So the file name is this one, URL this one, default currency USD, frequency hourly. Okay, so I'll give it daily. Then I'm gonna click on upload. So you can see over here your data feed is being created. So it is creating our data feed. Just wait a little bit, it will be created soon. So I'm gonna refresh the screen. I'll go to the catalog section, item section. So you can see over here 12 items has been added. Okay, perfect. So this is how you can set up catalogs for your e-commerce store using this plugin CTX product fit. So if you're using a WordPress CMS for your e-commerce store and you want to generate a feed, then you can use CTX feed plugin. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.